better your work, the more you will earn. This is the best way to get to earn $25 per hour or more. Simply typing on the website I'm going to share with you now. If you don't fancy typing jobs, stay tuned because there are other tasks you may find on this website. And the best part is some of them get to train you even if you don't have any quality typing skill. So the first website we'll talk about will pay you up to $25 per hour. This may vary depending on your typing speed, the clients you're working with, and the quality of work you do. Now, the good thing about this website is you can get promoted to be an editor and you earn double pay, which is an interesting one, which makes this website stand out from other websites. Be sure to have a working space in your home with computer and internet source. They also have a variety of transcription jobs one can do to make money on the website. They do verbatim transcription, legal transcription, and so many other transcriptions on the website, as you can see here. So the name of the website is called transcriptionforeveryone.com, and this is what it looks like. If you are interested in signing up with them, you come here where it says here are the files you get to get started. There are lots of files here you download, you read through to understand better how the website works, and then you send the required credentials to the email address here on the website. So the second website will pay you up to $26.50 or more per audio hour. Now this is very interesting because per audio hour is different from per hour. What it means is that once they give you an audio to transcribe, even if it takes you 100 years to finish the transcription, they will still pay you the amounts they have agreed earlier. So if you take a lot of time transcribing one particular audio, they will pay you for the amount you agreed. But if you transcribe the audio within an hour, they will also pay you for an hour. So they are all different things. So you have to bear that in mind. And this payment is based on the difficulty and urgency of the audio. So you can work part-time as a part-time staff or full-time as a full-time staff. These have different payments too. So as you can see from the website, full-time staff receives like 30% bonus, whereas part-time staff earns like $7.5 to $20.40 per audio hour. So you have that in mind as well. Now, there's one interesting thing about this website is you can work as much as you want or as little as you want, but you must complete at least 2 audio hours every week to keep your account active. What it means is that if you're not doing any job, they may have to deactivate your account. And then the payment, they offer weekly payments like clockwork with a minimum payment of $3. So the minimum threshold for you to receive your pay is $3, and they can pay you via PayPal or any other means that they may stipulate there. Now, the interesting thing you need to know about this website is once you sign up, you will be given a test to do so that they check how good you are with the job. Afterwards, you will be assigned an account manager, somebody that will help you out with the processes and will always support you 24/7 in real time. So, and another good thing is you get to choose your own project. Like you get to choose the type of job you want to do on the website. The third website is called Audib. Now this one is quite good because it provides translation jobs in different languages. So if English is not your language, you can afford to get jobs in different languages that you can afford to type, like transcribe. You can also find other services like translation jobs and voice recording segmentation jobs here on the website. The website also pays weekly like the previous one we saw. And come down here to the FAQs, you see that you can earn from $0.4 up to $2 per audio minute you transcribe, depending on the language or project you work on. What this means is that you can earn a minimum of $24 per audio hour, and depending on the project, this can even extend up to like $120 per audio hour. The average monthly earning of their transcriber on this website is $575, which is quite good. That is if you're getting job constantly. So it depends on your work and the consistency in your performance. You receive your payments anytime you complete your transcription jobs, and the minimum payouts, like the threshold you can get to before you'll be able to withdraw your money, is $10. and they pay usually via PayPal. You must have a PayPal account before you sign up to this website. To sign up, you click here where it says become a freelancer, and then you fill out these registration forms here and follow the remaining process that you may be asked to follow. We have the last website. However, this one is not completely known for transcription jobs, but the interesting thing about this particular website is that you get to be trained. Like, you have to be trained. They don't necessarily have to pass you through a test, but they will have to train you to make sure you're good with the job before you start working for them. So it's a win-win for you and for them as well. But before I review this website, please take a time out, like this video, subscribe to my channel. I make videos about how you can make money online so that you don't miss out on any part. I really appreciate you for your support. Here is the last website. Like I mentioned, you do a task, you get paid, and it's just that simple. And they do other tasks, and the good thing is you will learn how to do tasks with their quick online free course and hands-on training. Once you complete the task that you have been assigned to, you get paid weekly via PayPal or ATM based on the quality of your job and the number of tasks you completed. So it is pretty that simple. However, I was not able to find how much they're going to be paying on this website from the website, but I made a little bit of research and discovered that they are going to pay like $1 to $2 per hour. So, and I do not really get to know if it is per audio hour or per work hour. So these are the things you may want to check before you sign up with the website. However, the good thing is that they are going to train you to know how to do the job effectively. And the website is called Remotask.com. This is the place where you find these jobs. If this video was helpful, please don't fail to like, subscribe. We are on the road to getting 2,000 subscribers. I really appreciate you for your support, and please comment your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know if you're going to try this out or not, or your experience if you've ever tried this out. And if you're looking for other long-term typing jobs, or if you want to know how to make money on Facebook by just posting AI generated images, you may want to check out this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.